Hey everyone, check out the Cobbe Adhesive Shower Caddy 5-pack, perfect for organizing your bathroom and kitchen. This set includes 5 different racks, including large and small shelves, a soap dish, and a toothbrush holder, all designed to maximize your storage space. Installation is super easy with strong adhesives that require no tools or drilling, ideal for smooth surfaces like tile, glass, and metal. Made from durable stainless steel with a hollow-out rim design, these racks resist rust, water, and scratches while ensuring proper ventilation and drainage. Each shelf can hold up to 50 pounds securely, so you can store shampoos, soaps, or kitchen spices without worry. The sleek black finish adds a modern touch while the rounded edges keep safety in mind. Organize your space efficiently with Cobbe's reliable and stylish Shower Caddy set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.